As most people know, majority of the Earth is covered by the oceans. They store a majority of the heat that we get, and in that respect, interact with the climate.
The ocean is a big sink for heat. It can absorb heat from the atmosphere, so if we continue to warm the atmosphere through increasing carbon dioxide or other factors.
The ocean can store up to 80% of atmospheric heat. The question is, will it keep doing that in the future?
Well, the Ocean Surface Topography Mission is important because it provides a view of the changing climate. It monitors the consequences of global climate change and global warming by monitoring sea level rise.
The ocean isn't just heating up, it's also rising, and half the world lives within 62 miles of the coast.
Sea level is rising at 3 millimeters per year. The ice sheet of Antarctica and Greenland each has the capacity of raising sea level by meters.
The OSTM satellite flies 800 miles above the surface of the Earth and is able to measure the depth of the ocean to within 2 inches. Here's how it works.
Imagine my hand here is the spacecraft, and this ball is the pulse of energy, radar energy that it sends to the surface. What it does is it measures the amount of time for it to come back. If the ocean surface is lower, which is represented by this lower step here, it takes a longer amount of time to come back than if it were higher. The radar altimeter sends a pulse of microwave energy down to the surface and measures the amount of time it takes to get back. It continues the measurements that were started in 1992 by Topex Poseidon and continued with the Jason-1 satellite. And now we have the OSTM, which is going to continue this record into the future and will help us answer questions like, is sea level rise going to accelerate?
OSTM is going to be able to provide us some of the key information to understanding and predicting and tracking hurricanes.
In keeping track of the weather, this satellite will provide vital information for oil rigs, shipping, and for fisheries. Those are some of the practical applications of the OSTM, besides the long-term monitoring of climate change. It's tools like this that give scientists a more accurate picture of where our world stands and what the future might hold.